What's up guys, welcome back to TechWave, and today I'm going to be reviewing another budget keyboard. This is the GK61. So let's get right into it. So GK61 is a 60% mechanical keyboard. It has RGB and it comes with your choice, either Gateron optical black, blue, brown or red switches. And what optical means is basically, let me pull out a keycap and show you guys exactly how it is. So if I put it on, basically it looks just like a regular Gateron switch, right? But in there, instead of there being a mechanical barrier that it pushes into, there's just like a light beam, and when it crosses that light beam, it activates. So theoretically speaking, it should be faster that way. But I ordered it with the Gateron optical brown switches, so you can see how that is. Looks pretty similar to a regular Gateron brown switch. But yeah, the keycap comes with ABS double shot keycaps, so those aren't gonna fade the texture anytime soon. There's a bit of, I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's a bit of actual glossiness on the side of the keyboard over here for some reason, and on the sides of the keycaps too. If you guys can see that shine, right? Only on the sides of the keycap for some reason. You got rubber pads. There's nothing to make the arc more. There. This is what it sounds like when you're typing. Let me plug it back in. You have this one detachable USB cable, and this is the USB cable that it comes in. It's braided, nice, it has gold plated, and it's a pretty solid keyboard. It's a pretty solid USB cable. You have a few different modes of RGB, but this is the box that it comes in. It kind of looks like the OnePlus logo, so I thought at first. Get the manual, pretty staple, and you get the key. You get the cable, and you also get keycap remover as well as a key switch remover. That's right. The thing about this keyboard that makes it special is the fact that it's hot swappable. What that means is that you can take out any switch and replace it with another switch. So let's say your keycap gives in or something, you can go ahead and get another switch. So if I try to pull it out, I've actually never tried to pull out one before. Wow, it's in there. I've never tried to pull out one before, so I don't know if there's a specific way that you're supposed to be doing it. No, forget that for now, but I know you can do it. So this keyboard retails for in Canada $84.99. For you guys that are watching in America, it'll be cheaper there. I would guess around the 50 to 60 bucks mark. But yeah, this keyboard, it's hot swappable. That's what makes it more attractive. And if you just want the PCB, then that retails for around $50 in Canada, so it'll be cheaper in America. This thing also comes with software, but I wouldn't really recommend the software as I tried it out before. I did it now, but when I tried it out before, software was bad. Like, it was really bad. RGB on this thing is okay. You guys can see, I'll plug it back in. Okay, as you guys can see, RGB is pretty okay, nothing too special. This keyboard comes in either black or white, so if you have a white theme going on your setup, or you have a black theme going on your setup, this will match that. Yeah, but yeah, that's all there is to it, this keyboard. Now I'll just finish it out with some gameplay to show you how it sounds in game, because I agree that if you guys are gonna get this, not most of you guys will be getting this for gaming, not for productivity, because for productivity, I know I would definitely want the arrow keys to be separate. That's another reason why I don't choose 60% keyboards over TKL or like the RK71, because I just like having the freedom of individual arrow keys, because they're so easy to press. And you don't realize how much you actually use them until you actually use them. But yeah, disregarding that, let's get right into gaming. Alright guys, so I loaded up a creative server just like last time. Don't really feel like playing a game right now, because it just got up. And if you guys hear some other like fan noise, sorry about that. It's just my PC is just going crazy on me. So yeah, this is as close as possible to sound in game if you're playing a game like Fortnite, Apex Legends, COD, or whatever. So yeah, let me bring the mic closer to the keyboard actually, so you guys can hear the full noise. So it's like right there. So yeah, let's go. So yeah guys, that's how it sounds. It's very quiet. The Razer keyboard that I reviewed the other day, that one, even though it had red switch similars, it was still loud. I think this one is much more quieter than the Razer keyboard, despite having brown switches, which are supposed to be more tactile and feely, and they're also supposed to be louder. But yeah guys, that's my review of the GK61 Hot-Swappable. If you're in the if you want to buy a keyboard and you want to switch up the switches because you have on your old keyboard or something, then I would say this is it. I don't think you'll find another cheap keyboard. I know it's around $85, $85, kind of on the expensive side, not really the budget side, but I don't think you'll find another keyboard with a great PCB or like this. Or if you just want the PCB, you could buy it for like $50, which is even better. So it's all up to you guys. Have the options there. It's all up to you. Anyways, guys, if you like this review, then please like and subscribe, as it helps me out a lot. I'll leave an Amazon link down below. If you guys are looking to buy this keyboard or anything off Amazon, please use my link. It'll help me out a lot. And comment on your thoughts below on this keyboard. What do you think of it? Or is there another keyboard that's better than it? I can also switch. And yeah, thanks and have a good day. Bye.